Always wanted to know more about dark factories? Well, you're at the right place. Welcome back to the third episode of Factory of the Future, in which we're exploring dark factories. As the job market becomes more competitive, physically demanding work is less appealing, paving the way for dark factories where machines and technology handle most tasks without human intervention. Here with us is Django Soeterbroek, software engineer at CSI, to tell us more about dark factories.
In a dark factory, automation takes center stage. CSI designed palletizing systems that function by themselves. Those are equipped with sensors, cameras and self-detecting systems to ensure everything runs smoothly. The system checks for maintenance needs and quality standards without the need for human operators.
There are several advantages to this approach. The absence of human operators eliminates the need for heating, lighting, safety measures, and basic facilities, all reducing overhead costs and increasing efficiency. It also minimizes workplace injuries, creating a safer environment. CSI excels in integrating and customizing solutions to seamlessly fit into existing systems.
For both hardware and software, we provide comprehensive solutions tailored to each customer's needs. Our more SCADA and System Intelligence AI 4.0 software suite enables complete factory control and monitoring from a single tablet, enhancing efficiency.
To give you an idea of what's possible, let's take a look at dynamic dosing. This process uses advanced sensors to manage the precise dosing of materials without human involvement, ensuring accuracy and consistency. CSI also offers a complete palletizing process from end-of-line solutions to complex high-capacity systems. This demonstrates how automation in a dark factory setup can efficiently handle various products. The more SCADA and Systems Intelligence AI 4.0 software suite is pivotal for transforming a regular factory into a digitally connected one. Right, Django?
Yes, it integrates with ERP, MES, MOM and WMS systems, enhancing logistics and reducing errors. Features like automatic pallet labeling, AMR integrations and truck loading enable the factory to run autonomously. Track and trace, quality control and shift reports provide valuable insights for optimal performance.
The More platform can manage an entire factory's operations efficiently. By using this modular software, a site supervisor can oversee everything with just a tablet, highlighting the ease and efficiency of a dark factory. The dark factory represents the future of manufacturing, where automation and advanced technologies create efficient and safe working environments. Want to learn more about how CSI can help you and your company? Take a look at the CSI website. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more insights in our next episode of the Factory of the Future series.